BRI News Network, Breaking News.
Good afternoon. An 8.5 magnitude earthquake hit southern Sumatra, Indonesia this morning at 6:10 in local time and 7:10 in Singapore time. The epicenter was 80 miles southwest from the city of Bengkulu. At least 25 people killed, 161 injured, and 52,522 buildings damaged or destroyed. A tsunami with a wave height of 90 centimeters was also measured at Padang. This tsunami caused power and telephone outages to occur at Padang. The earthquake also felt by the people in high-rise buildings at Jakarta, Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. Now, there will be a live report from my partner, Miss Clara, in Bengkulu, Indonesia.
Thank you, Mr. Eka. I am Clara from PNN. The Padang earthquake has destroyed many things, cut down the electricity, and cut the phone line. As you can see behind me, no buildings are around, as they were flat as the earth. Now I am with one citizen who is safe from the earthquake. Good afternoon, Mrs. Dea. How do you feel after the earthquake?
I'm frustrated right now. See those wounds? There was my house. Lucky that all of my family are safe here, but we didn't have time to save our belongings. I'm also jobless now. That high building, which is supposed to be my office, is now gone. It is flat to the ground. I have to build my own life from zero again, like other refugees. Now I have to live in the emergency temporary tent. I'm hoping for emergency help to come, and I hope at least the basic necessity can be fulfilled.
Okay, Mrs. Dea, I feel sorry for your condition right now. I hope help will come soon and you can recover as soon as possible. Now, back to the studio with Mr. Eka. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Clara, for the report. And now, for the PNN Last Section Special, we have a special guest to interview. This man is from Simi University. This is Professor Nalongsat Longkot. Professor Nalongsat Longkot will explain to us how and why this earthquake happened.
I'm Professor Nalongsat Longkot from Simi University. I will explain to you why the earthquake happened. The earthquake in Padang occurred because the location of Indonesia itself. According to United States Geological Survey, National Earthquake Information Center, the earthquake occurred 130 km southwest of Bengkulu, Sumatra, Indonesia, and 625 km west-northwest of Jakarta. The magnitude 8.4 and 7.8 Southern Sumatra earthquakes of September 12, 2007 occurred as a result of transporting on the boundary between the Australian plate and the Sunda plates. At the location of these earthquakes, the Australian plate moved northeast with respect to the Sunda plate at a velocity of about 60 meters per year. The direction of relative plate motion is oblique to the orientation of the plate boundary offshore of the west coast of Sumatra. The component of plate motion perpendicular to the boundary is accommodated by transporting on the offshore plate boundary. Much of the component of plate motion parallel to the plate boundary is accommodated by strike-skip faulting on the Sumatra Fault, which is inland on Sumatra proper. According to data from the Japanese PALSAR microwave sensor aboard, the Daiji satellite South Bagai Island was uplifted, creating 6 new islands and exposing previously submerged coral reefs, as well as enlarging existing islands.
Thank you, Professor, for the explanation. And now, we have arrived at the end of this section. Keep waiting for the next section for PNN News, as we will updating the news live from Bengkulu, Indonesia. Thank you.